I didn't see you there. Let me get cleaned up. Look at that. If only reforestation projects were that easy. Alright, that's better. Again, hi. I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about Greenbeard Grooming, how it came to be, and our mission and passion, not only for great beards, but for the great outdoors, and how I went from searching for an inexpensive wooden comb that I wouldn't feel bad about losing in a parking lot, to dreaming up a company that challenges what we should expect from a beard brand. So I was looking for wooden combs to take the place of the black plastic combs that I was losing in parking lots, and what I found was that not only are combs like this comb here typically very expensive, but the companies that were selling them didn't seem to be doing anything worthwhile with the revenue that they're generating. I mean, they charge a lot for this comb. It doesn't cost a lot to produce, and what are they doing with that money? They're using that money to try to make their customers, people like you and me, feel manlier. My ego is a little fragile, so the big brands probably had that right, about me, at least. I think that people like you and people like me would much rather see the companies that we buy our products from give back to the world around them, actively try to make the world, you know, a better place. And that is what Greenbeard Grooming plans to do. Our classic beard combs are 100% ready for production, and our reforestation partners are already on the ground in Australia and other areas of the world, planting trees just waiting for our support. With your pledge, Greenbeard Grooming can become a reality, and together we can challenge what customers like you and I expect from the men's grooming industry. Thank you for your pledges and support. We truly can't do this without you.